Vicky, you've had some pretty elaborate work done on your teeth. Yeah. Tell us how that all began and tell us what brought you in.
I was supposed to come in to take care of this. It was on our plan. Dr. Hurst told me.
That you had a suspicious tooth?
Yes, basically. Well, he was right. It cracked.
Because?
I was eating probably some sticky candy I wasn't supposed to. But anyway, it did crack, and it created a space, and it was pretty ugly.
Okay.
And so what he did was he went in and did what we were going to do, which was quite a bit. He had to bridge this space and attach it to another tooth, so it was a bridge and a crown. But it was a little more in depth. He had to cut down the bone a little bit.
Okay, so some surgery on your jaw.
Yeah. And so what that required was some healing time of about 4 weeks. And that all was between my vacations and stuff. And so they called and checked on me and made sure, no infection, everything was fine. And what I like is he really, really takes the time to have you bite and check and make sure that it feels natural and better. So
you're not going to get sent home and it's a bit off. You're going to walk out of here.
Dr. Hurst, you aren't. That's what he does well.
Okay.
He really checks on that bite. And so he did that, and I went and vacationed and came back, and then they put on the crown.
Okay. The permanent one.
The permanent crown. And I've had a couple different major surgeries like that, and it's major.
Yeah.
So
it's probably pretty traumatic to your mouth. Yeah.
But like I say, he's great with the pain. If you feel any pain, you raise your hand. It stops immediately. He takes care of things, and I just like the way that he does that because I don't do pain well.
No, me neither. And why would we? In this day and age, why would you go to someone who's going to put you through pain? That's not going to happen with Dr.
I always hear stories. People tell their horror stories, and I don't have one.